Manifesting Inner Energy Keys, video 8 of 12 in our series. Hey, Scott Houck here with the Manifestation Accelerator, where manifestations and results are made easy. In today's video, it's going to be series 8 of 12, allowing you to master your money manifestations better than ever. We're going to be talking about inner energy, and we did in video 7 just a bit. We're going to really dive deep into your inner energy. How do you clean that? What to do about it to allow a lot better manifestations into your life. Before you jump into it, throw a like on the video. As you do so, it's going to send out to a lot more people, and we can together raise the consciousness of this planet. Also, click subscribe and then click the bell icon as well to get notified when we send out other great manifestation how-to content, including video 9, 10, 11, and 12 of this great video series you are now a part of. Let's go ahead and do it. Changing your inner energy. We talked about it in video 7. If you have not listened into the video, make sure you go back to that, watch video 8 here, and then go back to video 7. And make sure you've watched all 6 videos also in our season 1 of Mastering Your Money Manifestations. So let's jump right into it by cleaning your inner energy. Money's an energy game. Clean the energy around money. Your money will start to soar results-wise into your life. And this channel is all about results. I want you to have a lot more money coming into your life as fast as possible. All right. Let's cover some key points here in your inner energy change and allowing yourself to manifest a lot better. And I want you to put at the idea here, key point number 4. We're going to go back to the electronic environment, but I just wanted to make you aware of what's going on. You know, right now in your inbox, do you have more than 100 read emails? Now most people have about 50,000 emails or 20,000 emails, right? Now, how can we possibly know and actually think about money when we have 20,000 emails in our attention span, right? It's just not going to happen. Okay, so we're going to talk through on what to do about that. Key point number 4 here. Let's go internal cleaning, and that is gratitude. How do you do an internal cleaning around money? Okay, you change thoughts. So if you want to clean your internal environment, you have to change your thinking. That's the way to do it. That's all you have to do. Change the internal thinking, things are going to shift. Grace mentioned actually, what does paying thought energy actually mean? It means you're expending your thought onto something, on your external space. So you're using your energy towards something. We all have a certain amount of energy. Now, energy is infinite, right? But in our storehouse, in our physical body, you can only really think one thought at a time. So if I'm thinking one thought about my emails, guess what I'm not thinking about? Abundance. If I'm thinking about, oh, I got to answer this, I got to answer this, I got to answer this, guess what I'm not doing? Thinking about abundance. If I'm thinking about the 47 notifications that just came through and going through all those and clearing them out for the next 20 minutes, guess what I'm not paying attention to? Thought abundance, abundant type thinking, right? So it's the idea that we're always paying attention, we're always paying energy to one thing and how important that is. We're going to go through an exercise in internal cleaning with gratitude, but it's really essentially giving a lot more credit and thanks. And what that's going to do is allow you to do a mental clearing. Once you have mental clearing, everything's going to change as well. And we'll go through key point number 5. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put on music for 3 minutes here, and you're going to go through your phone and find 5 things that you can clean out. Okay, so that could be taking out notifications, deleting 5 apps if you don't use them, deleting all the old text messages, going through and deleting contacts, cleaning up your home screen, you know, whatever it is, cleaning up your background. As you can tell, I just have a black background here, so that doesn't even influence where I'm at here, okay? So take 5 things and clean this thing out, just 5. 5 things, clean it out. I'm gonna put on music so you enjoy your time, okay? It's gonna be a 3-minute quick exercise. You don't need to take 3 hours to do this. Find 5 things in 3 minutes to clear them out. Clear them out right away. Let's get back together here, okay? 5 minutes on the clock. Definitely take a screenshot first of this before we move, because once I clean the screen here, that's going to actually erase. So go ahead and take a screenshot if you choose. Then we're going to be going into our exercise for today with element number 3. 5 things, clean them out on your phone in particular. Okay, we're going to stop the screen share here. The actual music's going to go on here. Let's get cleaning. How'd that feel? Now, I was going through the chat box as we had the music on there. A lot of you said a lot of apps are gone and you're already feeling very liberating. You should feel free is the big word there. Feel free and liberating. Let me know how you feel in the chat box there. And we're going to be working on this throughout the 10 days. Now, again, the thought may come that says, I mean, this is crazy. We're talking about money manifestation and I'm clearing out apps. I mean, am I really utilizing my time well? But just remember, the world works by principles, by laws, and as above, so below, as below, so above. It's an energy-based universe. Everything is energy. My phone right here and everything that I do on it is a particular energy. If I change the energy of this, I change my energy environment. And your energy environment is crucial. I'm sure you've heard from a speaker before, the 5 people you surround yourself with, you're going to have their level of income, right? Because it's an energy thing, it's association. Same thing goes with the things around us. If we feel stuck, we want to change something in our world, seek to change within, seek to change things around your environment on the without as well. Really great work. Now, if you weren't able to do a lot, that's okay. I remember when I first learned this, I said, man, I know I need to do this. I took a whole day cleaning out things. And that can make all the difference as well. One of my clients, Dina, she's worked with me for a long time. And every time she talks about she does an energy clearing, she has unexpected money coming in. And we're talking big money coming in, you know, from unexpected, easy sources. Okay. So this really works and it works very well. Now, the internal game for gratitude, this is going to be really point number 5 here. As I mentioned, the inner game of cleaning is all about gratitude and appreciation. I want you to find 3 things that you can be appreciative of around money. Find and think back a time when somebody gave you money as a gift or present. Think back to all your previous employers, if you ever received a bonus or just salary or paying by the hour. I want you to also think about, if you have a business, the clients and customers that have paid you and invested with you. I want you to pick 3 of those things. It could be 3 different customers. It could be a job, it could be a customer, and it could be a gift that you received. Pick 3 people. And I want you to send them appreciation. I want you to, in your thoughts and out loud, thank you for doing that. Whether it was a year ago, a day ago, or 10 years ago, send appreciation to that person. What you're going to do is ask the universe for more manifestations around money. The more appreciative you can feel around money receiving, the more you're going to receive. Let's go ahead and take 60 seconds. I'm going to put the music back on here. And go ahead within and appreciate 3 people who have given you money. A company is a person as well. So you could say, you know, this company 2 years ago gave me a boost in salary, gave me this, gave me that, or even just a day's worth of pay. Find appreciation. Things are going to change within as you do. Let's take 60 seconds here. Music will be on. Find appreciation for 3 people and a company included.